I have to pack all of this and I only have 2 hours to do it. So come pack with me. Hey guys, I'm Walter. If you don't know me, I am a college student. I make videos about the entertainment industry, trying to make it out here in Los Angeles, California, and also about my college life here at LMU. In today's video, I am going to New York. Basically every year, my school does this career trek and they take you to different cities. Sometimes they go to San Francisco for people who want to be in tech. Sometimes they stay in Los Angeles and do a day trip all around the city to different companies and everything. But this time, I'm actually going to New York City. I'm excited. We're gonna meet so many people at these companies. We're going to NBC Universal, Paramount, the New York Times. Like, I am so grateful for this opportunity. In order to go on this trip, we had to submit an application for it, and it was very competitive to get selected. I am honestly so grateful to be able to go on this trip, and I think this is just another sign that this career path is definitely meant for me. So I am so excited to take you guys along. It's 3:06 and yeah, I have to leave. This is what we're working with. I have all this stuff on the desk. By the way, I have to clean up nice so that I can leave my room looking nice before I leave. I also have this, I folded clothes, and I have to figure out what outfits I'm gonna put into my bag. Yeah, I have to like wash the dishes, do everything like that. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is actually map out all of the things as far as like outfits that I need to plan. This is gonna be a trip where I'm wearing a lot of business things. So business casual, business professional, all of that stuff I have to wear. I think I'm gonna pull out those outfits. It's also New York, and right now it's like 20 degrees. I need something that's gonna cover me. Let's see what I can pull out of my closet. Here's a hack for the airport. If you want to be able to fit at least some of the heaviest things, I think you should wear that heavy outfit or the biggest outfit you have to the airport, just because you don't have enough space to put it in your carry-on. Right now, I'm gonna wear my biggest pair of jeans, and then I bought some Doc Martens yesterday. By the way, I'm gonna link all this stuff in the description box down below if you want to get your hands on anything. We gotta have some slacks. I got these slacks from Uniqlo, and they honestly fit perfectly. I might have to alter them just because there's a 34 length and I am around a 30 in length. All of these products are from Banana Republic. This is some brown chinos, which I really like. I'm trying to see if I have anything that will go with them. And then I have these gray chinos, which I will bring for sure. These are special type of pants. I think they have wool. Since I'm already wearing a jean to the airport, I'm going to just bring one extra pair. We're gonna have about 2 days really to explore the city, like without the group. So I'm gonna bring 2 pair of jeans. Hopefully that can like hold me. If not, I guess I will be wearing another business casual fit around the city. These are from Abercrombie & Fitch. I love these jeans a lot. So I have these pants, basically 5 pairs worth, including the ones I have on. Looks like a disaster. So a while ago, I got these things from Target. This is for me to put at least 1 pair of shoes in here. And then we have these extra bags. I'll link them in the description down below. But these are really helpful when it comes to like making sure everything is compact and squeezed in as tight as possible. This one looks like the biggest one, so I am going to try to fit all of these pants in here. This is 1 pair and it's already filling up the thing. Like, guys, it is so hot right now. I have, well, actually 1 fan going. That one down there, this one was going, and my roommate has his fan going. It's like crazy hot in LA right now. I finished the first thing. I have all of my pants in here, which is nice. Now we have to pack the tops. It's cold in New York, so this is kind of like easy to do. I'm gonna have to bring tops not only to sleep in, but also to wear to these events. This is my all-time favorite. I wish I had this in another color. This is really comfortable too, and I have a jacket that I want to wear with it, so can't wait to wear this. If you guys don't know me, I love everything about Ralph Lauren. That means you're not following me on my Instagram account. So make sure you take the time, go follow my Instagram account. This is one of my favorite tops from Uniqlo. I haven't worn it in a long time, but it's really nice. So I think I'm gonna bring this one as well. This is very tall. I really don't know how we're gonna fit it, especially because I still have to pack my t-shirts. So here's my suitcase. I got this suitcase from TJ Maxx, but it's actually a Calpac suitcase. It's really wonderful. It has gotten me through so many trips back home to other states, all of that. So right now I'm just gonna make space and go ahead and start packing. These are the pants that I am bringing, so I'm just gonna put them in this side of the suitcase. One of the things I find interesting about packing suitcases is that you have to pack them strategically because every crevice and corner of a suitcase has to be filled. So you have to make sure you place every single thing perfectly. One wrong pattern can make the suitcase not even close. After packing my clothes, here are some more essentials I need, like skincare, deodorant, lotion, all of that stuff. So guys, this is the moment of truth. If I can close this suitcase, like it's probably gonna bust open. And I don't want to break it, but this is the perk of being like 200 pounds. But the suitcase good. Oh, well, I did it. All right, guys, I packed my suitcase, but there's one more thing I need to pack, and it's a personal bag. This is not gonna be hard to pack at all. I just need to remember every single thing because I do not want to forget. Okay, guys, I promise I'm gonna clean up my room, but let's go ahead and pack this. This is gonna be everything from my electronics to, I can't even think, guys. Like, my head is all over the place. Any other things that I might need to bring on the trip? Okay, first and foremost, we have to bring the MacBook. The next thing I'm gonna bring is my Bible because we do not stop the Bible study just because we go on vacation. I'm so thankful that this cologne from Valentino is right at the 3.4 fluid ounces mark because I need to bring cologne because you gotta smell good as well. Also gonna pack this Salt and Stone hand lotion. This is really nice if you want your hands moisturized. So I'm gonna add that to this. I'm gonna go ahead and put my identification and all that stuff in my backpack right now. I am also going to pack this topicals, I don't know what it's called, but it really helps with ingrown hairs. And then I also have this electric razor from Philips. This also works pretty well, so I'm gonna pack these two with me. I need to pack this as well, but there's no glasses in them, so I have to look around this dirty room to find my Ray-Ban glasses because like I need to take them. I'm also gonna bring my some snacks just because we all know that airport food is expensive and I already gotta buy dinner from the airport, so I'm just gonna bring Skinny Pop and some peanuts. I'm honestly probably not gonna eat these until like Friday because we have an overnight flight and I'm not gonna be snacking at 12 a.m. It's time to go to bed. Guys, the time is going by so fast. I only have less than an hour left to be ready for pickup to go to the airport. And I still have to clean up my room. This is crazy. So guys, I think we are ready for the airport. Cannot believe I did that all in the span of 2 hours because my head started hurting. But I am going to go ahead and head to the airport. I'm going to take you guys along with me to the airport just because we don't leave for another 3 to 4 hours. So I'm definitely probably going to stop to get some food, make sure we go to the correct gate and all of that stuff. So keep on watching for that because we still have to get through the airport and TSA and all of that stuff. We finally hit 300 subscribers, which is insane. Thank you guys so much. Go ahead and click the subscribe button because now we're on the road to 400 subscribers. Honestly, we're on the long road to 1,000 subscribers. Hey guys, so we made it to the airport right now. Just got food and it's currently 7:35. Our plane doesn't leave until 9:45, so we actually have a minute before we do anything. I have my friends here who we are going on a trip with, and I asked them, can they do introductions? So if y'all want to.
Okay, what do I say? Hi guys, my name is Giselle, but I go by Gigi, and we're going to New York City. We're gonna go visit some companies over there, which is fantastic. We're going to Broadway too and spending some time alone, exploring the city by ourselves, which is amazing, and yeah.
Thank you, Gigi.
Okay, hi guys. My name is Mary. I am an accounting and political science, accounting and poli-sci. I'm looking forward to bacon, egg, and cheese for sure. Canal Street, for sure. Shopping, I just want to feel like I'm a New Yorker, like Wendy Williams, you know? I just want to feel so original. Yeah, you know?
Hi everyone, I'm Devin. I'm Walter's roommate. That's just it. This is gonna be my first time in New York, so I'm so excited for that. I think that's probably like the biggest thing, is just getting on a plane and going somewhere with people that I love. So yeah, I'm so excited for it.
We had to hurry up and get on our plane, but you do not want to miss the next video. Make sure you subscribe and stick around to see our New York experience. See you guys in the next one. Bye.